What's going on, YouTube? Been forever and a day. Got a TTM today. I got a package from a trade I did. It's a trade. It's a, I guess you could say, a sale. I sold a card, plus got into this guy's group break. And actually hit something nice. I got a ton of shit here. Holy shit. Alright. Like I said, I sold a card. Guy gave me some PayPal and then did some gave me a couple spots in one of his group breaks. Ended up being black and gold and Spectra is like a couple single boxes. But alright, so get some of the other randoms out of the way. Right, so we got this Randall Cobb at a 75. We got this Rajon Neal to 149. Got a Jared Abbrederis to 149. We got a Brett Favre die cut to 25. Another Jared Abbrederis to 149. It's a pretty sweet looking card right here. Nice piece of his number, or piece of his name. Brett Hundley out of 99. Got another we got a die cut Randall Cobb out of 25. I'll save the good hit for the end. Some other random base cards. I don't know what my dog's doing back there. I won a box of Prime Signatures. I got this Odell Beckham New Wave. My auto was, whoa, it's way out of focus. Come on. Xavier Howard out of 49. He was the second round pick of the Dolphins. Shout out to Brad. Got this Eric Decker out of 149. And then a Clay Matthews to 199. And the big hit out of black and gold out of 10. Mr. Eddie Lacy. So that's pretty cool. With my hits and everything like that, all these Packers autos, I think we did, I think it was like $45 or something was the, something like that, $40 or $50 was how much the break was that he got me in for free, and I ended up hitting the Packers. So in the end, I probably came out a few dollars ahead. So that's cool. Haven't got a TTM in a while, so let's see what this is. I got a bunch out to some of the NFL players. Haven't got any back. My baseball kind of went to crap. I tried going big and doing some of the bigger names, but that didn't work out. Oh, speaking of young guys, we have Jared Goff. So that's a real cool one. First overall pick of the draft. And 2. So really sweet there. That's awesome. Nice TTM to get back. See how he does. I got another package from a fellow YouTuber that I'm going to open up on a separate video. But it's pretty thick, so it should be a good one. And Thanks for watching, guys. Later on.